there, Howard Dinits here. When you buy a property, you get an inspection period. In Hawaii, it's called J-1. J-1 is usually about 10 to 14 days. You and I pick it when we write the contract. During that inspection period, you can hire a professional home inspector. Home inspector is going to check the appliances, the plumbing, electrical. They don't really mess too much with cosmetics, okay? But they do check the things that are important. During that time, you can also ask for repairs, and I want to let you know the seller may agree, but they're not obligated, okay? And also during the inspection period, you may cancel for no reason and get your earnest money back. Looking for a great agent? I want to be your agent. Call me. My name's Howard Dinits. I'm with Dinits Realty. You can give me a phone call at 808-874-0600. Check me out on the internet at easymauirealestate.com. See you soon.